Hey guys! Welcome to Freedom Formula. In today's video, we're speaking about 10 ways to develop an attitude of gratitude. As we all know, gratitude is a powerful emotion that can improve our mental health, boost our relationships, and enhance our overall well-being. In this video, I'll be sharing 10 practical tips on how to develop gratitude in your daily life. Tip 1. Keep a gratitude journal. The first way to develop gratitude is to keep a gratitude journal. Each day, take a few minutes to reflect on your day and write down 3 things that you're grateful for. This can be anything from a kind gesture from a friend, to having a warm cup of coffee in the morning. The key is to focus on the positive things in your life, and cultivate a sense of appreciation for them. One of the key benefits of keeping a gratitude journal, is that it helps shift your focus from what's going wrong in your life, to what's going right. It's easy to get caught up in negativity and stress, but when you intentionally look for the good in things, you'll start to see them more often. Additionally, writing down your blessings can help you feel more positive emotionally, and improve your overall well-being. Another benefit of a gratitude journal is that it serves as a record of your personal growth and progress. As you look back on previous entries, you'll see how far you've come, and the challenges you've overcome. This can be a powerful reminder of your resilience, and show you your ability to find joy in the midst of difficulties. So, start your gratitude journal today, and make it a daily habit. It doesn't have to be a long entry, just a few minutes of reflecting on your day, and jotting down 3 things you're grateful for. With time, you'll start to notice the positive things in your life, and feel more grateful for them. Tip 2. Practice mindfulness. The second way to develop gratitude, is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the current moment. It involves paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations, without judgment. When you're mindful, you're able to fully appreciate the positive aspects of your life, and let go of negative thoughts and emotions. One way to practice mindfulness, is through deep breathing or meditation. Take a few minutes each day to sit in a quiet place and focus on your breath. As you inhale, imagine you're breathing in positive energy, and as you exhale, release any negative thoughts or emotions. This simple practice can help you feel more calm and centered, and increase your overall sense of well-being. Another way to practice mindfulness, is to engage in activities that bring you joy, and make you feel present in the moment. This could be anything from going for a walk in nature, to cooking a delicious meal. When you're fully engaged in the activity, you're able to appreciate the positive aspects of your life, and feel more grateful for them. Practicing mindfulness also helps you cultivate a sense of acceptance, and gratitude for the present moment, rather than constantly striving for something else or dwelling on the past. By being fully present and engaged, you'll find that even the smallest moments can bring you joy and appreciation. So, start incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine. Practice deep breathing or meditation, engage in activities that bring you joy and presence, and try to let go of negative thoughts and emotions. With time, you'll start to notice the positive aspects of your life, and feel more grateful for them. Tip 3. Volunteer your time. The third way to develop gratitude is to volunteer your time. Volunteering is a great way to give back to your community and help those in need. By serving others, you'll gain a sense of purpose and fulfillment, and you'll also gain a greater appreciation for the blessings in your own life. There are many ways to volunteer your time, from donating your skills and expertise, to serving in person, at a local organization. You could volunteer at a homeless shelter, a food bank, or a hospital. You could also look for opportunities to volunteer in your local community, such as participating in a neighborhood cleanup, or organizing a fundraiser for a good cause. When you volunteer your time, you'll have the opportunity to connect with others, and begin to build meaningful relationships. You'll also gain a greater understanding of the challenges faced by those in your community, and you'll appreciate the blessings in your own life even more. Volunteering can also help you develop new skills and experiences, which can be valuable for personal and professional growth. By stepping outside your comfort zone, and trying new things, you'll gain a greater sense of confidence and self-esteem. So, look for opportunities to volunteer your time in your local community. Choose a cause that you're passionate about, and find an organization that aligns with your values. By serving others and giving back, you'll develop a greater sense of gratitude, as well as develop an appreciation for the blessings in your own life. Tip 4. Count your blessings. The fourth way to develop gratitude, is to count your blessings. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind, and forget about the positive things in our lives. Taking a few minutes each day to reflect on what we have, can help us feel more grateful for what we've achieved. To count your blessings, start by making a list of the positive things in your life. This could include your health, your relationships, your career, your home, or anything else that brings you joy and happiness. Once you've made your list, take a few minutes each day to reflect on these things and appreciate them. You could also try keeping a gratitude journal, as mentioned in tip 1. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for, and take a few moments to reflect on them. This simple practice can help you focus on the positive aspects of your life, and feel more grateful for what you have. Counting your blessings can also help you develop a more positive outlook on life. When we focus on the positive, we're less likely to get bogged down by negative thoughts and emotions. By appreciating what we have, we're better equipped to handle the challenges that come our way. So, take a few moments each day to count your blessings. Reflect on the positive things in your life, and appreciate them. By developing a mindset of gratitude, you'll be more equipped to handle whatever comes your way, and live a more fulfilling life. Tip 5. Write thank you notes. The 5th way to develop gratitude is to write thank you notes. We often take the people in our lives for granted, and forget to thank them for their support and kindness. Taking the time to write a note can show your appreciation, and make you feel more grateful for their presence in your life. To write a thank you note, start by thinking about the person you want to thank, and what they've done to make a positive impact in your life. Be specific and detailed in your note, expressing your gratitude for their actions or support. Writing a thank you note doesn't have to be a long or elaborate process. A simple note or card expressing your appreciation can go a long way in making someone feel valued and appreciated. Not only will writing thank you notes help you feel more grateful, but it can also improve your relationships with others. When we express our appreciation and gratitude, we strengthen the bonds we have with others and create a more positive, supportive community. So, take the time to write a thank you note to someone who has made a positive impact in your life. Express your gratitude and appreciation, and take a moment to reflect on the positive relationships and experiences in your life. By developing a habit of gratitude, you'll create a more positive, fulfilling life for yourself and those around you. Tip 6. Practice empathy. The 6th way to develop gratitude is to practice empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. When we practice empathy, we can better appreciate the challenges others face and the positive aspects of our own lives. To practice empathy, try to put yourself in someone else's shoes and see things from their perspective. This can be especially helpful in difficult situations, such as when a friend or family member is going through a tough time. Instead of focusing on your own problems, try to listen and understand their point of view. By practicing empathy, we can also develop a greater sense of compassion for others. This can lead to a more positive and supportive community, where we are all looking out for one another and celebrating each other's successes. In addition, practicing empathy can help us become more grateful for the positive aspects of our own lives. When we see the challenges that others face, we can appreciate our own blessings and feel more grateful for what we have. So, take the time to practice empathy and see things from someone else's perspective. By developing a greater sense of understanding and compassion, you'll create a more positive, fulfilling life for yourself and those around you. Tip 7. Express gratitude to yourself. The 7th way to develop gratitude is to express gratitude to yourself. Often, we focus on the negative aspects of ourselves and our lives, which can lead to feelings of inadequacy and dissatisfaction. Expressing gratitude to yourself can help shift your mindset and focus on the positive aspects of who you are. To practice expressing gratitude to yourself, take time to appreciate your own achievements, skills, and positive qualities. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and focus on your strengths, instead of dwelling on your weaknesses. You can do this by keeping a list of your accomplishments, or simply taking a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're proud of. In addition, it's important to be kind to yourself and practice self-care. Treat yourself with the same kindness and compassion you would offer to a friend. This can include taking time to relax, engaging in activities you enjoy, and prioritizing your physical and emotional well-being. By expressing gratitude to yourself, you'll develop a greater sense of self-worth and confidence. This can lead to a more positive outlook on life and a greater appreciation for the positive aspects of your own life. Remember, you deserve to be celebrated and appreciated just as much as anyone else. So, take the time to express gratitude to yourself and focus on the positive aspects of who you are. Celebrate your successes, be kind to yourself, and prioritize your well-being. By doing so, you'll develop a greater sense of gratitude for your own life and the many blessings it holds. Tip 8. Focus on the good. The 8th way to develop gratitude is to focus on the good. It's easy to get bogged down by negative events or circumstances in our lives. However, choosing to focus on the good can help shift our perspective and cultivate a sense of gratitude for the positive aspects of our lives. To practice focusing on the good, try to find the positive aspects of any situation, even when things aren't going well. For example, if you're having a tough day at work, try to focus on the skills you're developing or the opportunities for growth. Or, if you're going through a difficult time in your personal life, try to focus on the supportive people in your life, and the happy moments you've shared. Another way to focus on the good is to cultivate a more optimistic outlook on life. This means reframing negative thoughts and beliefs into more positive ones. For example, instead of thinking, "I'll never be able to do this," try thinking, "I'm still learning and improving." By focusing on the good, you'll develop a more positive outlook on life, and feel more grateful for the good things in your life. This can lead to a greater sense of contentment and fulfillment, even during difficult times. So, try to find the positive aspects of any situation, cultivate a more optimistic outlook on life, and focus on the good. By doing so, you'll develop a greater sense of gratitude for the positive aspects of your life, and a more positive outlook on the future. Tip 9. Practice forgiveness. Practicing forgiveness can be challenging, but it can also be a powerful tool for developing gratitude. Holding on to anger or resentment can weigh heavily on your mental and emotional well-being, making it harder to appreciate the good things in life. By letting go of negative emotions and forgiving those who have wronged you, you can create space for positivity and gratitude to grow. Forgiveness doesn't necessarily mean forgetting or excusing the behavior that hurt you. Instead, it's about acknowledging the pain and choosing to release it. This can be a difficult process, but it can ultimately lead to a sense of peace and gratitude. In addition, practicing forgiveness can also improve your relationships with others. Holding on to grudges or resentment can damage relationships, while forgiveness can foster understanding, empathy, and gratitude for the people in your life. To practice forgiveness, start by acknowledging the hurt and pain caused by the situation or person. Then, work on releasing those negative emotions and choosing to forgive. This may involve talking to the person directly, writing a letter, even if you don't send it, or seeking support from a therapist or support group. Remember, forgiveness is a process, and it may take time and effort. But by choosing to let go of negative emotions and focusing on the positive aspects of your relationships, you can develop a stronger sense of gratitude for the people in your life. Tip 10. Show gratitude to others. The 10th and final way to develop gratitude is to show gratitude to others. Take time to thank those who have made a positive impact in your life. This could be a friend, family member, or colleague. Showing gratitude can strengthen your relationships and make you feel more connected to others. Showing gratitude to others is a powerful way to develop gratitude in yourself. When you express your appreciation to someone else, you not only acknowledge their positive impact on your life, but you also reinforce the good in your own life. Showing gratitude can be as simple as saying thank you or sending a heartfelt note, but it can have a big impact on both you and the recipient. When you show gratitude to others, you not only strengthen your relationships, but also create a positive ripple effect. When someone feels appreciated, they are more likely to pass that positive energy on to others, creating a cycle of gratitude and kindness. It's important to remember that showing gratitude doesn't have to be reserved for grand gestures or special occasions. Simple acts of kindness, like holding the door open or offering a listening ear, can be just as meaningful. By showing gratitude in your everyday interactions, you can cultivate a more positive and grateful attitude towards life. Showing gratitude to others is a simple, yet powerful way to develop gratitude in yourself. By expressing your appreciation, you not only strengthen your relationships, but also create a ripple effect of kindness and positivity. So, take the time to show gratitude to those who have made a positive impact on your life, and watch as your own sense of gratitude and appreciation grows. And that's it for today's video on 10 ways to develop an attitude of gratitude. I hope you found these tips helpful, and can start implementing them in your daily life. Remember, gratitude is not just a feeling, it's a practice that can transform your life in positive ways. By developing a habit of gratitude, you can improve your mental and physical health, increase your happiness, and deepen your relationships with others. Hey, if you got something out of this video, it would be appreciated if you could remember to smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and to hit the bell icon, so you can be notified when we upload more videos. While you're thinking of it, how about you share, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate that. And bye for now.